Okay. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Dini Benjamin bin Zulkifli, and I would like to present our company's organization chart, DAWAF. The first one is our director itself, Muhammad Amirul Hazim bin Ahmad Shah, and the second one is me myself as the vice director. Then we split to the three branch. The first branch lead by Zul Irwan bin Zulfakar as the manager of R&D, and the fourth one is Muhammad Azri bin Maksakri as the manager of finance, and the last one is Muhammad Faiz bin Ismail as the manager of marketing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azri bin Maksakri. I would like to talk about financial statement. First is hardware detail. We use three detail. First is mini wiper, second is battery type SR44, and third is wiring. For mini wiper, the price is 20 ringgit per unit, and we multiply with 100 unit, and the total price is 2,000. For the second detail is battery type SR44. The price is 50 ringgit per unit. We multiply with 100 unit, and the total price is 1,500. For the third is wiring. The price is 10 ringgit per unit. We multiply with 100 unit, and the total price is 1,000 ringgit. And the total price to hardware retail is 4,500. Second is human way retail. We use 10 workers, and their salary is 1,200. The total salary of the human way retail is 12,000 ringgit. Business distribution. DAWAF Group is a Malaysia-based development company focused on safety equipment that is solution to citizens feel more safety in Malaysia. The primary area of development involve redesign new model of safety. Example, redesign new model of helmet that will make the rider feel more comfortable when riding bike.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Hazim bin Ahmad Shah, DI 160058. So I will present about product description. So the problem of product description is the usage of motorcycle among people does by far the most appropriate kind of transportation compared to other form of transportation in their daily lifestyle. However, there are one major disadvantages that the motorcyclist is currently facing, and that is they cannot ride the motorcycle during rainy seasons. This is because they have a poor level of vision during the rainy seasons, and thus the rate of accident will increase exponentially if they ride their bike when it rains. Not only that, other road users, especially car driver, will have a hard time noticing the presence of motorcycles on the road, especially during heavy rain. Thus, in order to avoid accident from occurring from happening, the motorcycle rider decides to wait at the shelter such as R&R, under the bridge, or at the bus stop, provided for the rain to stop, and this will cost the rider's time. Not only that, the rider also face an even bigger problem of presence on the road. This is because the driver only rely on the lights and the back of their motorcycle, and thus it will give other road user a hard time noticing the rider, and thus it can increase the rate of accidents of the road involving the riders. Most of the driver fail to interact on time when the rider brakes or turning left or right because they did not notice the poor signal that the motorcycle provided. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Irwan bin Zulfakar. My meeting number DI is 160014. For the solution, we have ordered to solve the right issue regarding to the rainy season. We have to decide to innovate a WipMet, a wiper, but for the helmet version. Basically, the wiper is the same as normal car, but we have designed into a smaller wiper, fit enough for the helmet visor. The wiper will be put at the visor, and when it will start to rain, there will be a switch to on the wiper to move when raining. Okay, this can be done in order for the motorcycle ride to see the road and thus be aware of their surroundings.
Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Ismail, and today I will explain to you about the benefit of this product. Okay, there's a few benefit gained towards the rider on the road when using WipMet. The first one, that there are major problems of unable to ride during rainy season can be solved. This is because using our innovation, they can see the road as the water that's blocking their fields of vision can be wiped away. Second one is their presence on the road will also increase slightly because we have increased the signal light that and brake light as well as other forms of light in order to make riders stand out on the road, especially during rainy seasons and night. Now I will explain to you about our commercial viability. Our target customer was the motorcyclists because of the problem that they faced during the rain. This product will be marketed in Malaysia because our target customer are community of Malaysia, or maybe if this product will be marketed to global. Our product scalability was only one product that will be used by motorcyclists during rainy weather. This technology is developed due to the problem that being faced by motorcyclists. This technology also is using a clock battery that can be used only in a rainy day. Thank you.
I will explain you about technology description. There have two parts. Firstly, IP property technology, and second R&D. Okay, I will explain you about IP property technology. IP property technology, they have product characteristic and product function. Product characteristic, they helmet have a wiper, at the helmet visor, and for the product function, with a wiper, it can aid in giving clear vision when riding a motorbike when rain or at night. Okay, the wiper will wipe all the rainwater that block our vision and when raining too hard and when
For competition and competitive advantage, we have major advantages in terms of marketing, in terms of local marketing, as our innovation is quite fresh and there are no other company or other organization that tends to create our product. So it might be possible to sell a lot of our product in our country. But for the international marketing and for the international market, it might be quite hard because there might be a few struggle and obstacles due to other companies from outside our country in terms of label and also product. We believe that through our research and our development process, we can create a product that carry on the brand of Malaysia to the international, that maybe we can compete with other international companies product, so that we may not left behind in terms of product and quality.